Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to view your Google Assistant activity using the Google app. This is a great way to review your previous interactions with the Assistant, or manage your activity history. So let's jump right in. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Google app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a drop-down menu will also open where you will look for the Google Assistant option and click on it. This is where the interesting part starts. As you can see, the app has opened a menu with many options. We need the option, Your Data in the Assistant, which you will look for and click on. And now we can see, by opening a new page, you will go down to the Assistant Activity option and click on it. Here you can see the complete activity of your Google Assistant, but since we currently do not have any activity with Google Assistant, it is empty for us, which does not mean that it is for you either. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your Google Assistant activities using the Google app. It is a great way to keep track of what you have searched for and to ensure that your data is organized. If this guide was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.